tent there. UW. That was mine. The masses are now.
2 hours later.
Hello and welcome to my channel, D&Co Outdoors. Today we are at Birmingham NEC at the National Outdoor Expo. It's actually quite late in the afternoon now. Been here a while, but I forgot to do a hello bit anyway, so not to worry. It's actually sort of around the building at the back there. We're just by the lake, which you could have hired and had to go at these kayaks and paddle boards and stuff, but you had to book it in advance if you want to do that. But it's cool that they've got it there. Anyway, plenty of things to look at for an hour or so, a couple of hours, but not much really. Kind of bored now, but hopefully stick a video together and see what you think. And I'm with my cousin. Dragged him along. Anyway, I will see you soon. Bye! Actually, it's bigger. So you can see it. Oh, the orange looks nice. They've changed the fabric on that. They have.
You should go on that.
Oh, we're filming. Let's watch this kiddie have fun. Oh, he's so cute. That's awesome. I've not seen these ones. UW. See how it's fitted onto the roof rail, and then you got the roof bar going across.
Right.
You have to get underneath to fasten them on.
Oh, I see what you mean. And yours isn't tight enough.
Not with the current rail, no.
Right. What a shame.
Look, that was my other idea on top of the trailer, look. That's quite a big trailer. Yeah, that's why it's empty. Bit of a climbing wall for you.
See, that's a climbing wall.
Nope, I'm scared of that.
Some random tent there. I like how they've put the trees, but do you know what's really sad? I hope these are old Christmas trees, because they've gone and cut them off just for, cut the roots off with. Should at least use ones that were in pots.
Yeah.
Trees are always good. I think they might be waiting for Ben Fogel. I think he's coming off first.
Well, if you do every single one of them, then it's going to cost you.
Tents, I love tents. You got a little one with the inflatable bit on it. Just think how much that weighs.
That one's 3 hours long, that one is. And that one's 4 hours. That one's an hour.
That is peculiar. It is good. Which way? Which way? Don't have a butchers up that way and then
Yeah.
we'll have a wander. Yeah. Yeah. I bet they
I
are.
like that red one.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. The maths is an outdoor practice. One for you, Gareth and Zoe? Both. Swim run.
Yeah, any angle, yeah.
Just looking at it. This is very nice.
Yeah.
Look at this one on a mini.
I know, right?
So this was one of the companies I was looking at. Yeah.
And you queue up in the line going down. Yeah, you have to put that out.
Yeah. Well, this is a bit shabby round here, isn't it?
Don't use that bit.
This is a bit shabby. Look at all this wasted space. What the hell? Telling me you couldn't get more people? There's a funny little seat, look, pop up and down seat. Pop up and down. Look, down there, a little seat. And it goes down to that. Well,
Turkish delight.
that's it. Okay, are we back to there? Keep looking at that.
No.
It's only because I like. It's only because I like rucksacks so much. Bushcraft, there we go. Yes, this was. We've walked past it 8 trillion times. And yes, my Jeep, mine. My Jeep, I love it. this Jeep, it's so nice. The eye camper. It started to get incredibly busy, and I get kind of claustrophobic in clouds, so I ended up having to leg it out of there. So that's where the video ends. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.